Never thought I could build a whole website in just 30 minutes, but today I'm going to try it. Will I make it or run out of time? Let's find out. Here's what I have to do. Choose a topic, buy a domain, set up a hosting, install WordPress, pick a theme, make some pages, write my first post, add some links to it, and do some basic SEO, all in just 30 minutes. Do you think I can do it or will I run out of time? Before we start, if you think this challenge is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. This way you won't miss any of my future videos where I take on more fun challenges. So, what we're going to do is research on the topic. The first software we're going to use is called Questify. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard. We'll go to campaign, create a new campaign. And we're going to look for research. Under research, we're going to go to niche. What niche are we talking about? The first one is going to, let's say I'm giving a name as test for the making affiliate website. So what you're going to do is let's find a sub niche idea. Most of the videos are all about affiliate marketing. Easiest way to start. Let's talk about affiliate marketing for beginners. And I'll limit to 50. So let's look at this. So as you can see, within 30 seconds, it's ready to give me 50 different topics that I can build my website around. Affiliate marketing training programs, beginners friendly affiliate networks, email marketing for affiliate beginners. So if you keep on go through the line, just see which topic you like the most, which one resonate with yourself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the first one, affiliate training programs. Then we go back to the dashboard, create a different campaign. Let's create a new campaign. Main aim to get a lot of people coming to our new website. And most of the time what people do is they're searching for something on affiliate marketing. What people are asking for it, what people are searching for it. Let's click on that, affiliate marketing training programs. Then we're going to look at the 100 different topics that we can start building it. So let's look at create. Our campaign is going to go through it. So while the campaign is running, let's go back to a new campaign. And we also need to pick a domain name. What we do is we go to tools under campaign and look for domain name finder. And then we enter campaign name, which is affiliate marketing training programs.com is one I'm looking for, main niche, and let's limit it to 50 and see what it's going to create. Meanwhile, while it's creating it, go back and let's look at all the different questions that people ask in Google and how you can use that for writing an article. So what is the best training for affiliate marketing? How do I teach myself affiliate marketing? How do I become a certified affiliate marketer? What is the best affiliate marketing program? Which skill is the best for affiliate marketing? So as you can go down the list and you can see these questions are the one that new beginners will actually be searching for. You just want your website to be in front to give them answers to it. Let's go back to the campaign and see. So we have the domain finder. So these are all the domain names. You can just look at it and see which one is good. Affiliate growth hacks, marketing affiliate academy, digital affiliate training.com, and you can go down the list. I like digital affiliate training.com. I like that one. So I'm going to copy that. Next step after that is buying the domain name and doing a hosting. For that, we jump over to Namecheap. All of my domain names are bought by Namecheap. I'll put a link in the description. Domain name that we were going to buy it, which is digital affiliate marketing. And let's search for it. So this one is, you have to make it. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive. Let's go back and then different name and see if we can get that. So let's search for. So this one is at 1575, which is not bad. What we can do is just buy this effective affiliate training. Now, I'm just going to add this to the cart. I'm not going to buy any of this hosting. I'm going to use another program for hosting. So let's check it out. And then don't have any promo code. Okay, now within a couple of seconds, you'll have the domain you bought it. This is the domain you bought it. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for hosting. We're going to use hosting software, which is called SiteGround. Want it a little bit better. WPX is another hosting, which is premium hosting. First thing we're going to do is add in the website that we just bought it from Namecheap and forward that to the hosting of SiteGround. Let's go to new website. We already registered, select a domain you already own. and our domain is effectiveaffiliatetraining.com. What we're going to do is we are starting a new website. Going to install WordPress. You can set up a login and a passwords. So it's just going to automatically generate a password for you. Don't want any of this right now. No, thank you. Finish. It's creating a site will take a little bit less than 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we can head back to the Namecheap, and what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the domain list. The domain list, we have it where we just got this one, effectivetraining.com. We just want to manage this, forward it to our hosting, which is SiteGround, custom DNS, and we're going to put the SiteGround DNS in there. And for that, after a couple of minutes, our website is ready, and then it's going to tell you point your domain to this one. So we just copy this and go back to name servers and paste it and do the second one, copy, paste, and then we check to save it. So now we have pointed site to SiteGround. It says it takes about 48 hours. Usually it's earlier than that, but meanwhile, we can just go back to the website, and then we just go back to the WordPress admin, and now we can be started building the website, picking up a theme, plugins, and then finally eventually we're going to have our articles going into the website. First one is going to say it's not secure, so for that, sorry, there's just one more step. Let's go back to the site tools, and we just want to make secure our site. Security, we select let encrypt and get. This is free, by the way, for most of the websites. So what that is that your website is secure. You will just see HTTPS in front of the website. It's good. Now let's go back, and then we just enforce it. Let's go back to the website. We just go to the WordPress admin, and it's going to go back to here, start now. And then we're going to tell you all about, we're going to exit, and this is our WordPress dashboard for our website. We have picked the domain name, bought domain hosting, and set up our website with the WordPress theme. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to install the theme, plugins, and then we're going to get going on building an article. For that, we're going to use another software which is called AI Wisemind. First thing we have to do in this one is we have to connect sites, and we're going to connect WordPress sites. The first one is site names. Just put affiliate training site URL, and make sure you have HTTPS. So is this thing. Let's go back. Next thing you know is the WordPress user email. The email we used is my email and the application password. There's a tutorial on how to create an application password. So all you have to do is let's go back to the WordPress and then go to the profile, and then we go down to there where it is application password. So new application password name, so I could AI Wisemind, add new application. So this is the password that we have it. We copy that, go back to the AI Wisemind, paste, site group, doesn't matter. You can select when you're setting it up, and we connect to the WordPress, and it's created and it is connected. What you want to do is after that, we want to go to Site Wizard to set up new website. Select an option. So where is it? Affiliate training, site title, digital affiliate training, site tagline. For the site tagline, what we can do is we can just go to ChatGPT and suggest few site taglines for the website on the topic training program. Unlock success through smart training, affiliate training, your ultimate guide to profitable training marketing. I like this one. And then site description. Let's go back. Description for the website. Site tagline is, so what we do is we copy it, paste it. So welcome to Effective Affiliate Training, your ultimate resource to building a profitable marketing affiliate marketing business, right? So pretty good. And then language, and now this is where we go start building a website. We remove all the default posts, pages and all that now, and we start creating page on about page, contact page, all these pages. Then we have the plugin, some of the other plugins, these are the must, and then what are the other plugins you want. Now it's not an e-commerce, we'll take the Google Rank Math, YouTube Embedded Plus. For the theme, I'm just going to put Wisemind theme, generate an author bio, okay, and categories usually 5. You can pick more than that, but I used to pick 5. And then we can have AI Wiseman start building a website with installing all the plugins. That will take about 5 to 6 minutes for the AI Wiseman to start building a website. In the meantime, what we can do is we can also start creating a campaign. So let's go to campaign. We add a new campaign. We're going to have this is going to be on the informational post, and the name of the campaign is affiliate marketing training. Keywords URL, so we go back to the Questify for these are all the training the keywords we have it. So we just click on it, we select all 101, we copy the selected ones, and then we go back to AI Wiseman under campaign and we paste it. These are the one, and then you can just go and see which one, some of the questions you have there that you want it or not for your same as how do you become a certified affiliate marketer. You can get rid of that. You can go on and just double check it. Use and we'll check this, meaning what is the best training for affiliate marketing. That's the keyword that you can use as a title. Context, you can leave it blank by default, or you want to add something that's short to the point. I'm going to leave it blank. Affiliate links. So what affiliates program are you going to be promoting on this? I'm a part of Legendary Marketer, one of the programs that I promote. So that is on the online trainings. My affiliate links to that. If you are not familiar with what products, you can actually use some of the other ones. Amazon is the one that for the beginners, or you can go in the ClickBank and all the other, or you can just go back to the Questify, their campaign, their new campaigns can just help you find under the niche, find niche products, and you can tell you where to find these ones. And then we can go to the buttons that you wanted. So you can go to purchase now, check price, visit official website, and we add, these are my affiliate links, so add no follow to the links. If you want to have you customize your own, you can just click that and you can have your own here. You can also add the YouTube videos and add images. For the YouTube videos, I have my own channels. What I do is I'll embed in my own YouTube videos URL right here. I just use AI generated images, get rid of all the other ones. It's going to cost you a little bit, but still it's better. The content customization, for that, you just go back, and this is one that's recommended. I picked that. For point of view, it's going to be the first from my point of view, why I'm recommending this or this program for you. The tone of voice, friendly is good, or you can just do conversational is another one that I like. I'm going to stick with friendly. AI personas, these are all the writers, so you can pick one of them and see which one to do. You want your tone of a little bit of comedic in it or casual. So I'm just going to pick this casual, pick the first one. Add custom text in the articles. If you want to add the text for your affiliate disclaimer at the end of the article, you can just put that in here. Total number of posts to be created, now it's going to be 101. We're going to publish on schedule. Number of posts to create it on schedule is we're going to have one every day, and we're going to post it directly to the website. And now the site, affiliate training, and then publish, we're going to just have the draft. Auto-generated tags, auto-generated categories. No, we have the categories. You're gonna see, yeah, we have the category, getting started with affiliate marketing. Our website is built, put that in there, and we create it. I always go back and double check disclaimer, and then you can just add any other. So everything looks good. So once you finish the campaign, it will be on autopilot. When we go back to the home, our website, it will be updated with all the plugins now. Let's go to the post. This is where we have the first post. I just go and edit, and what I like to do is do a basic SEO and basic editing, so you know how it is. What I like to usually do is put a little bit of space between each sentence, make it easier for people to read. Let's do the SEO. We go to the focus segment. What is the best training for affiliate marketing? And then now you see it's 70, so we want it closest to the 100 if possible. Next thing we can put is affiliate marketing, 76. Now what we need is we just follow this and saying what it is. So the focus is not found in your SEO meta description, so we do edit. What is the best training for affiliate marketing? Learn in this article. You can just do discover. That's better. Best training for affiliate marketing. Do that. Now we are on 78, and we just follow that to make it close to the 100 as possible. Save it, and then we can do is we'll just publish it. Once you publish, let's go to the site, view it, and it's already here. Now you can see how it's much better when you're reading it. We click on this, it goes to our affiliate links and has a table of content, all the other articles, even the YouTube is all there. All in all, I was able to set this up, and it took me less than 30 minutes to set it up. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel so far. Let me know in the comment, did you like about this video? Which other videos you want me to do it in the future? Person like me, you can set up this website so easily. I was able to do it in less than 30 minutes. If I can do it, you guys can do it too.